Finn Park has searched the world over looking for the greatest Western tricksters of all time. However, we could not find any. So, we got you these guys instead. So put your hands together for the star of the show, Wild Bill Hickok!
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. How's it going back there? We have a great show planned for y'all today. But before we get started, I gotta be honest with y'all. I am not Wild Bill. No, I'm Sheriff Roscoe, the sheriff of this here town. Bill will be out here in a second. See, what had happened was, there were some magic boxes backstage, and Bill got in one, and there was this saw. Oh, I couldn't resist. So I sawed him in half. But with a little bit of magic, we're gonna put Bill back together right now. Boomer, wake up! We got a fixed Bill. Sleeping on the job, next thing you know, you'll be waving at me. Don't wait. Nothing inside, Bill. You get his legs. I'll get the other half. Oh, Bill. Don't worry. I got you, buddy. Get the thinking. Good, everybody works. Most of the time. Yeah, one job. Bang time. 1, 2, out, 2, bang! Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the star of the show. Wow! Bill Hickok!
Roscoe. I can't believe you cut me in half.
Bill,
Oh, howdy folks. Give me 1 second right quick. Give me those spots.
put your foot down right there, buddy.
Right there.
Yep. Oh, Bill. Don't mess with my hat. You know the ladies like it.
Nobody likes that old hat, Roscoe. Let's see if that's a nice hat. Whoa! What's he doing? Get him off the stage, Roscoe.
Shield your eyes.
What's wrong with that dog?
No. Hey, Bill, what do you call a cow with 3 legs?
I don't know what.
Lean beef.
I do.
What do you call a cow with no legs?
I don't know what.
Ground beef. What do you call a cow with only 2 legs?
I don't know what, Roscoe.
Yo, mama.
Roscoe! Whoa. Folks, I'm sorry about him. We got a great show planned for y'all today. Let's get it started.
Wait, what about my introduction?
After you cut me in half and stole mine.
Oh, come on, Bill, please. I've been practicing.
What y'all think? Y'all think
Oh,
deserves an
y'all are
introduction?
gonna love this.
I got a feeling we're gonna regret this. Welcome back to the stage, your friend and mine, Sheriff Roscoe. Running Wild West music. Roscoe, get out here. Roscoe, this is a family show. Can't dance like that.
I know it's a family show. This family right here was the Hey, up tree, everybody. Okay.
Okay.
It's nice not to see you.
You
What
too.
you doing here so early?
Well, don't you remember? I'm here for the big celebration.
That's right, the celebration.
What?
Hold that, Bill. Sorry.
Wait a minute. Hey, we got a show to do, guys.
Oh, boy.
Get up here. Hey, before Roscoe to say something about a party. Well, not anymore.
There she is. Don't be mad, Bill. We're just having some fun.
That's right.
Roscoe, you know we need.
Acting lesson.
No, we need a daredevil.
Oh.
Oh, Daredevil. He's over on Tiki Island, and he's about ready to go.
All right, so
Well,
get the
Bill,
show
Bill,
started.
Bill.
Roscoe.
Funny story, really.
Funny.
You know how you told me, hey, to get these lines located, the world, space, Daredevil.
Remember?
Yeah, remember?
We did.
We did not.
We got the third
That's
best.
not her.
Roscoe, I gave you and Andy enough money to give them the very best daredevil.
Oh,
Well, well, Bill, I got a pet.
You got a pet.
Oh,
sure
yeah.
did, and I got this here gun.
Oh, my.
You get Andy get a gun?
Yes.
What's his name?
Her name is Rose.
And this here, Bill, is Lynn.
Watch her go.
Don't you think it's the daredevil, guys?
Oh. Daredevil, man, everybody.
Daredevil Dane.
And as we speak, Dane is being loaded into a human-sized cannon
It's a big one.
right over yonder on Tiki Island. Whoa!
Oh, no.
See, no, it goes in the cannon feet first.
You've got us lefty my ground.
Feet first.
Oh,
Nobody listens
what
anymore.
are you gonna do?
Now, folks, just as soon as that daredevil figures out how to load something into that cannon, we're gonna light that fuse.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna send it to the air. That's where Roscoe here.
Nice thing.
That's him.
Gonna catch him in a net.
But now, Bill, what does she look like? Does she come on here, brown hair, blue eyes, green eyes? Bill! Is she curvy?
Roscoe?
That Bill.
Calling it the person, buddy, a net.
Ain't it
Yeah, Andy show him.
Got it.
the catchy thing?
Yeah, the catchy thing.
Why
Not
didn't you
bad.
just start with that?
Hey, it looks like he's ready to go.
Oh, look, he's ready.
Drum roll, please. Roscoe, are you ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Andy, are you ready?
We're ready.
Fire!
Fire. Where?
Get water.
Stop. Drop and roll.
Not a real fire, Roscoe, get it!
I don't got it.
No. Oh, thank you, Bill. So kind of you. So,
Roscoe, you have one job.
Whoa!
No!
does anybody have the number to the 911?
Wait, Annie. We don't need that.
We don't.
No.
How come?
Well, because I'm a trained professional in VCR.
Oh,
VCR.
Yeah.
You just made that up.
I did not. It stands for victim. Can't rise. What?
well, how does it work, Roscoe?
I'll show you. Do some right here.
Don't work, Andy.
We gotta try, Bill.
First thing you gotta do is stand over your victim. Like so.
Okay.
Then you get a nice little cricket in your lap. Then you butter your lips.
That's right,
You
Bill.
put your lips to the victim's lips, and you blow.
Bring your blow. Yahoo! Oh, it really does
Stand
work.
up there,
It's
everybody.
alive. How about this?
He's incredible. He's invincible. He is on the ground.
Hello down there.
Get up.
He's okay. He's gonna be fine.
The very best. Come on, Lopez. Ross, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this daredevil right here, we're gonna put him in that crate, we're gonna fill that crate up with dynamite, and then we're gonna set it on fire.
Oh, my.
Hey, you're with Rosie Marshmallow.
Yes, of course we'll sing songs and tell ghost stories.
Yeah.
What y'all doing?
Cleaning fire,
Not
Bill.
many people.
Will you invite him?
No.
Go to the back, get the daredevil, he's loose.
No.
Hi, Bill. You say loose.
Yeah, go get it.
That's all right, Bill, 'cause we're gonna get fun now.
Oh, yeah.
No, we're not. Roscoe, this is not an interview.
Bill, right now.
Dance there.
Go. Make it, Bill.
Right, here I come. Thank you.
What's that?
Thank you. It's your college. It's your college.
Okay, focus you two. Go to the back.
Go with the bike.
Get the daredevil.
In the dirt.
So we can open a suit nanny.
Bill,
What?
did you mean it when you called the show a hoot nanny?
Yeah, suit nanny.
Oh, Bill, that's my show one.
Your show.
My
What?
show, the hoot nanny. 'Cause I'm Annie and I'm... I'm gonna leave.
Oh, Andy, you shot my son.
Sure did, Bill.
You see how lucky took me to hang it up there?
Sure did, Bill. See how long it took me to shoot it down?
Come on, let's go.
I wasn't on there for about 45 minutes. That was nasty.
You been on my show?
Well, when Disney called.
That's unprofessional, right?
No! I just talked to Bill. Bill!
What?
Look who I got. It's Rose.
Is that what you spend my money on, Roscoe?
Yes! Oh! Whoa! Oh, there she is. Oh, Bill, she needs some water. Drink that, sweetheart.
Get her out my shine bucket, Roscoe.
She's thirsty. Oh. Poor Rose. It's all Bill's fault. Bill, guess what she told me?
Nothing, Roscoe, because she can't talk.
Well, she can't, Bill. She said she drank too much.
Your mother drank too much.
No, Bill, she...
I thought you said she was trained, Roscoe.
I did say she was trained, Bill. Fire!
Get rid of her.
But I love her.
I love my show, but you two are ruining it.
What they did, Rose, and I have is special.
What y'all have or flee? Over the fifth, Roscoe.
I wanna...
Do it.
Oh, never let go, Rose. Never let go. Oh, but she let go. She let go.
Roscoe, you're a dance lady, y'all. And my show is dance Titanic.
You sure will, because it looks like we're sinking.
Sit down. Iceberg.
Hello, Doris. How are you?
Roscoe. Folks, me and Roscoe, we gotta have a meeting right quick. Just give me one
Oh,
second.
hello, man.
No. Roscoe's gonna fill that crib with dynamite.
I get the dynamite.
Wow.
Why don't stand it?
I'm making sure it's fresh.
Hey, Roscoe, remember, just use a stick or two. One of them up and kill it.
Go!
The time for distractions is over, y'all.
No way, look!
What, Roscoe?
And so boom! Box! Get it? Butter box.
Put that down and get to work.
Put it down and it's work! Oh! Whoa.
Randy show, remember? Welcome back to stage, Daredevil Dead, everybody.
Come on now, Dan.
Where
This is
you
your
at?
big moment. Let's get you in that box, buddy.
Yeah, come on, Dan, get the box.
Oh! Good! Oh, yeah, help me do it,
Hey,
then.
here.
Bill, you're right, help me get
Drop
off.
him. Spread the money, remember?
Go, grab him! Oh!
Woo, woo.
Roscoe, get my hat, will you?
Yeah, get Bill's hat. Hat.
Someone's at the door. Hello! Oh! Good!
I did so much work.
Did you get my hat, Roscoe?
No!
I told you to get it.
Where do we start the countdown, Roscoe?
20.
20. Okay, here, push. Up, pull.
No, we start from 10, y'all.
Oh,
We started 10
okay.
and
10.
10.
yeah.
Shucks, I ain't even got to take my boots off for that.
10.
10,
10.
9.
9.
7.
Hey, Roscoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 'cause I count.
Well, okay, Mr. College. 8,
8.
7.
7,
7.
6.
6,
6.
5.
5,
1.
4.
4,
3.
Roscoe.
2.
Look.
And a big old Roscoe.
whoa. What is that?
Well, I think it's that brother from the Walmart.
Clearing.
Yes.
Or clearance.
I think it was clear.
No way. It's Stan. Get him.
Get him.
Get it. Fellas, I don't think so. Oh, wait for me. Come on, little lady. We gotta go for clearance.
Get back here.
Roscoe.
Get this away.
Right behind you, big buddy.
No.
Woo! It's not fair. You know I can't run that fast. I want to look for the Daredevil too. Woo! Oh, it's not fair. Dan? Dan! Oh, hi. Have you seen the Daredevil? Thank you. Howdy, Kelly.
Hey, Dan. Get the box, buddy. Yeah, come on. Get back here.
See you later.
Bye, Roscoe.
Well, we'll be up.
Oh gosh! Oh, that little fella is all right.
son. It's all ruined.
Wait! Give me all your money, boy.
Roscoe, get her Pickles bench back.
Wait a minute, where? What I meant to say was very easy.
Give me that, Roscoe.
Okay.
Where's Andy?
I don't know. Where's Dan? We still looking for him. Well, I don't know that either. But don't worry, Bill. All these people, they want to see an explosion on the dynamite in the grate. We don't need that. Let's just blow up the box. 3, 2, and up and
Whoa, Roscoe. Did you say all dynamite's in that box?
Yes, 1.
Get off me, boy.
This is not my fault.
It's all your fault. I told you a stick or two,
You
Roscoe.
pushed me. Good. I am not VCR in that tasty.
Oh, yes, you are.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Roscoe, just get it out. Just get that out of the box.
Oh, Bill. It's bad, I know. My hat. It ain't that bad.
Not that bad. It's got a hole in it, Roscoe.
Well, Bill, I can fix this.
Nobody can fix that.
Fix. Bill, I done got you anyway.
That wasn't it, right?
Put it on. Bill, look, now you can always have it your way.
Roscoe, where'd you get this thing at?
The same place I got all of them?
Them.
Yeah! Get it!
Dang it, you're alive.